Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of arts and culture app. You will go to settings. Here on this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will click on arts and culture. Here on this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here, you will click on Clear Cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about arts and culture. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us.